So a warm welcome to everyone to our today's PharmaForum webcast international session with the topic clinical trials in China. In May 2018, we already had a webcast on regulatory affairs in China. Since then, a lot of things have changed with regards to guidance documents and regulatory procedures in China. That is why I am very happy to introduce Ms. Yingying Liu as an expert for today's topic. She is senior consultant at Michor Consulting and Trade Service in Vienna, Austria. She assists a wide range of global clients obtaining clinical trial authorizations and bringing their products to the market in China. And today she will cover the Chinese regulatory authorities, new drug regulations, and clinical trial procedures and documentation with regards to regulatory affairs. Yeah, so to lose no further valuable time, I will now hand over directly to Yingying.
Thank you, Jessica, for your kind introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Yingying Liu. Nice to have you all on this call. We also have a Q&A section after each topic. Now let's move to the outline. I will have 3 topics today: the Chinese regulatory authorities overview, and I will present to you that what agencies you will deal with when you submit clinical trials applications in China. And the second topic is some important drug regulations, and the third one is clinical trials in China. China is a very different country. The regulation is different and also always changing. Recent years, it is a challenge, but also very exciting. And as the potential largest healthcare market in the world, it was worthwhile for all of us to know and learn the regulation in this country.